Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to upload an 1080 multiplied by 1350 image on Instagram. Instagram supports multiple image dimensions, but a 1080 pixels 4:5 ratio is perfect for portrait posts. If your photo doesn't fit automatically, here's how to upload it. Follow these few steps. The first step is to open the Instagram app. Go to your phone and then open the Instagram app. After that, you'll be directed to your home account. If you haven't already signed in yet, just enter your account credentials. Now after that, click on the plus icon to start a new post right here in the middle bottom. After that, select your image from your gallery. Now let's select one image. I'm gonna select this one. Now, if the image doesn't fit the frame, tap the two arrow icon in the bottom left corner to switch the full portrait video. Now this image fits perfectly. Let's try it with another picture. See this picture right here. Once I click on the double arrows, it will fit perfectly. Once your photo fits perfectly, tap next to apply edits or add filters if needed. Just click on next on the top right corner. After that, proceed to write a caption. Click on next. And you can write a caption right here, whatever you want. You can add a location, tag people, or even add music. And for additional tips, always export your photo at a 1080 1350 resolution to maintain clarity. You can also use photo editing tools like Lightroom or Canva to resize images for Instagram. Uploading a 1080 3050 image is simple with Instagram's built-in tools. Following these steps will ensure your content is displayed crisply and beautifully. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.